Hello, folks. Thank you for coming back to Foodie TV. My name is Digvijay, and today I have got a special dish for everybody, the delicacy of everyone, which is paratha and chicken liver curry. One of my favorites, and you can get this dish prepared in various kinds of variants that you will find in the hotels, outside in the street food, and also you can prepare it at home. Today my wife has prepared chicken liver gravy, and I am eating that with ID's parotha. Yes, Malabar parotha of ID's along with chicken liver curry. So without any further ado, let's begin our tasting. As you can see, my favorite chicken liver curry, and of course the ID Malabar paratha, which is kind of ready made. All you have to do is put in some oil on a hot tawa and get it fried. So let's begin. I have taken only one paratha because I have eaten several things in the evening, and because of which my stomach is kind of half full already. Let's begin with some awesomeness of that gravy. Aha. Beautiful. Fantastic. Perfectly spiced, not very spicy. Have the flavor of the chicken liver and absolutely complements your palate to its most optimum level. Taking some of those gravies. Aha. Onion. A lot of people also make this in the keema style. That is what they do is they smash the liver, and then it kind of becomes a keema texture. Folks, let me tell you this, I'm just enjoying this preparation, and if you give me an option with having this with rice, I would say please go with paratha. Amazing. Let's dig into some of the juicy liver, which has soaked most of the spices into its texture. And let me tell you, folks, that I've got this liver from Swiggy. Bought this from a place called Chop Serve, and they give very fresh chicken, mutton, fish, eggs, and of course all of these accompaniments. Look at the freshness of this. That mushy texture of the liver is just telling my mouth to have more of it frequently. If you look at the liver very closely, I don't know whether you're able to see that in the camera, but the freshness of the liver is understood by the ability of it to absorb the spices that it is cooked in. Otherwise, usually it leaves a very dashy taste in the mouth. If I'm hungry, I can easily eat 2 of these parathas, but since it is maida, one is kind of making me full already, because as I said earlier, my stomach is kind of half full already. If you ever come to Bangalore, and you want to eat liver preparations, Shivaji Nagar is the place that is known for it. A lot of foodies like me venture out in the night to explore these kind of food. Shivaji Nagar is open till 1 o'clock in the morning and serves you some amazing Afghani preparation, which kind of includes your biryani, your tawa fry preparations, and the liver. Well folks, today's video ends here and I hope you have liked it. Please do comment where you get preparations of liver across your places and share it in the comment. Let me also tell you that liver is very good for health. It can be either bakre ka liver or it can be chickens. Small quantity, at least once a week, will give you a lot of strength. Usually the strength that you get when you have fresh paya soup when you wake up in the morning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, and as I requested, please comment stating where you get the best liver preparation in your town. And if you think that I'm doing a good job, please do subscribe to my channel so that it motivates me to do more such kind of videos. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe at home. Goodbye.